Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can transfer money from your PayPal to Skrill. So at first go to your Google and search for Change Buzz and then tap on the first option that comes up, and then it says send. So from here you have to see from where you're going to send it. So I want to send it from my PayPal. Make sure to choose if your PayPal was in USD or euro. Suppose mine is in USD, and then in receive it's automatically going to say loading list. So let it do that, and there you go. It says receive in Skrill USD or euro. Suppose yours is Skrill USD. Tap on it, and then there you go. You have to tap in the amount that you want to. Also, at first you have to log in, otherwise this obviously won't happen, and then your change buzz email and your Skrill account. And after following these steps you will be able to do it. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.